guys, I just remembered something tragic that happened in my life. So when I was at least 7 or 8, I was eating dinner at Florida, of course, because, well, that's where we mostly took our vacations. Then something random happened. We were eating there. 5 minutes after I said, like, this fish tasted good, we heard a big bang. And I know this happened. Red light. Guy on wrong side. Red light. Went right past it. Idiot. Green light. Innocent people. Flipped over the car. Car. On its back. On the ground. Dumb. Dumb, dumb, dumb. And we know he came from that side because he was flipped over on this side. And the other guy was flipped over on that side. Green light. That was red light. So, guys, tell me if you think that was a tragic story.